are in Marinda del Rey today. We just completed another beautiful double swing gate. These have our new swing motors, BFT. They are working beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you. So it goes opening. These are very strong, powerful little motors. Here's the top. There used to be an old wooden gate here. We took it out and secured the whole property, including the top panel here. I'm going to go ahead and show you an outside view. I'm going to go ahead and let it open. Here's the motor. Here's the photo eye. Go ahead and close it. As you know, these are all aluminum, powder coated in our facility in Canoga Park. 100% guaranteed product. This is a lifetime product. We will never have to deal with repainting or rust issues or any of that sort of stuff that you need to deal with normal fences. So here it is, closed up, nice and secure. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next beautiful installation from Holland Brand.